Let us look at community gatherings and events. Tavapa unit number 3. Remember, this is topic 1, identity. That is what we are looking at. We have the following unit objectives. By the end of the unit, you should be able to A. Name community gatherings and events. So we have to be able to name community gatherings and events. Tofanwa kuziva ma-community gatherings kuti ndeapi uye ma-events acho anenge achimboitwei. B. Explain the purpose of community gatherings and events. The purpose, ma-community gatherings anenge achiitwei. Then C. Describe attire for specific community gatherings and events. So there are community gatherings and events which require a specific attire. Kana tichitaura pamusoro pe-attire, tiri kutaura a type of clothing. Kureva kuti pane ma-community events anoda kuti munge makapfeka hembe dziri specific to that event. We are going to discuss that as we learn. Now let us look back. Looking back, community gatherings help strengthen bonds and create lasting memories. So we have to understand the need of community gatherings, or let me just say the importance of community gatherings. Why are they important? Kuti kangosiyana nazvo zvema-community gatherings, umwe noumwe ozvionera zvinenge zvakaipa here. So why are these important? We look at this first fact. Community gatherings they do help strengthen bonds and create lasting memories. So the importance is help strengthen bonds or help strengthen community bonds. And Ubuntu. So when we say help strengthen community bonds, we know kuti we should exist in a community. Zvakakosha kuti tishandire pamwe chete uye tiwadzane, tiyanane sevanhu vanogara munzvimbo imwe chete. Vakuru vachitaura mutsumo vakati, rume rimwe harikombe churu. This proverb is to strengthen, or rather to show how important it is to have strong community bonds. And then Ubuntu. Ubuntu inotaura pamusoro peunhu hwedu, umunhu hwedu, tsika dzedu nemagariro edu. So when we are talking about Ubuntu, we are basically talking about our culture and ethics. But iri vara iri rinogona kuva too strong for your taste. You can rather focus on our culture. So it strengthens these community gatherings. They strengthen community bonds. They also strengthen our culture. In this unit, you will explore how community gatherings like weddings. So takutopinda muma types of community gatherings. So these types of community gatherings, tinema weddings, michato, tinema cultural festivities or cultural festivals, tine zvakare ma-clean up events, patinenge tichitsvaira nekunhonga marara nekuita kuti nharaunda yedu ive yakachena. So these are the 3 community gatherings we are going to emphasize on or focus on: weddings, michato, cultural festivals, zvakaita sekunozoitwa ma-cultural traditional dances, vanhu vachifara. Then we also have clean up events. These bring people together to celebrate, to share resources and support one another. So we are celebrating, we are also sharing resources, we are supporting one another. And what does this do? It helps build a strong community. That's the importance of it. So let us just look at the keywords we are going to be focused on. Saka ma keywords edu aya, we are going to look at chekutanga, community. Saka we have defined community as a group of families living together. So this is a group of people living in the same area or sharing similar interests, values and goals, often supporting one another. So a community is a group of people, a group of people living in the same area or with sharing similar interests. So I'm going to explain why tawedzera kuti sharing similar interests, values and goals often supporting one another. So this is the full definition. Pandiri kuda kuita zero in on two aspects. Chekutanga, tate community is a group of people living in the same area. Sangatiti muri kugara kumabvukutafara, and muri kugara kumufakos, muri kugara kuHatfield, muri kugara kuBorodale. That's a community. You are living in the same area, so you are making up a community. As community haipereri ipapo, we can have a community of people who share similar interests. Ndopanozopinda nhau dzakaita sema internet groups. Munogona kunge muine a WhatsApp group rinoita zvekutenga nekutengesa, advertising. So you have this WhatsApp group where people who are involved in vending or the buying and selling of goods advertise their products. Pane WhatsApp group rekuti kana uine chauroda kutengesa unongo posta imomo voice price and people would approach you to buy that particular good. So that's a community. Saka WhatsApp group rino share the same similar interest yekutenga nekutengesa, it's a community. Facebook group rino share the same interest, let us say global warming, people are discussing about global warming, etc. That's a community. So a community is not limited to people living in the same area. The definition of a community broadens to people who share similar interests. That's important. We also have people who share similar values, like we can talk about the Zulu people. That's a community. They have the same culture, the same ethics, the same values. The Shona people, or rather we say the Karanga people, the Ndau people, the Zulu people. We can talk about the Kore people. So it's Chikanda Maseko. Let me just discuss about this. So we can talk about the Karanga people. This is a community because they share the same values than Ndau people. We can talk about the Manyika people. We can talk about the Zulu people. We can talk about the Kore people. So all these are communities. So we can say these are Shona communities. So this is just but an example. So they share the same or similar interests, live in the same area, share the same values, the same goals. Ngatiti muri kutamba bhora, your team, that's a community because you are sharing the same goal of winning matches, and they do often support one another. That's also important. Now let us go to the second keyword, gatherings. Let us talk about gatherings. So events where people come together for a specific purpose. So we have people coming together. Why are they coming together? For a specific purpose, such as celebrating, discussing, or working on community projects. So gatherings are people coming together for a specific purpose. So what are these purposes now? So the purposes are such as, or example, celebrating. People come together to celebrate. People come together for discussions. Maybe you're at school, you have a group discussion for something. People come together for working on community projects. These are examples of when people come together. That's gatherings. So we have many gatherings. Every Monday, for some schools, every Friday also, we have an assembly. That is a gathering. What is the purpose of this gathering? There's a specific purpose why we have an assembly. So that the school administration and our teachers can inform us on what is happening at our school. They might advise us, they might tell us about upcoming events, etc. That's the reason for assembling every Monday and Friday. That's a gathering. We have gatherings at sports where we are witnessing our peers participating in sports, cheering them up, celebrating. We have parties as gatherings. We have church gatherings. We have a lot of gatherings. So long it's more than two people who are together for a specific purpose, that's a gathering. Saka ndo inonzi gathering, hama dzangu. Kuungana, tichiunganira chinangwa. Chinangwa chacho chingava kuti tifare ipati, chingava kuti tiziviswe zviri kuitika pachikoro, assembly, chingava kuti tione masports, that's a sporting gathering, chingava kuti tiri kuchurch tiri kunamata, that's a church gathering. So that is what our gatherings are. Celebration. A celebration is an act of honoring or acknowledging a special occasion or event. So this is an act of honoring or acknowledging a special occasion or event. So this is done oftenly through festivities, rituals, or social activities. So when we are celebrating, we are honoring a special occasion. We celebrate birthdays where we honor the birth of our friends and family. We celebrate Independence Day where we honor the independence we got from settler colonization. We celebrate Easter where we are honoring the death and resurrection of Jesus Christ. We celebrate a lot of things. So what's important here is knowing that we are honoring a special occasion. That's what important. Kucelebrate, kuita honor a special occasion. So we honor a lot of things, and if we do so through celebration zvoreva kuti taungana, because celebrations require gathering. Taungana kuti tifarire chiitiko chatinenge tichiita, commemorate, honoring, acknowledging.